We bought an abandoned house and decided to save it. I'd seen GenStone on one of my social medias and I hit their website to check it out. Great website, lots of pictures, easy to navigate. Narrowed it down to 2, ordered some sample panels, which I recommend you do definitely. We chose the vanilla bean, got the information over to the rep we were working with. He put an order together and had it on its way. It showed up, packaged perfectly, came with all of the PC parts we needed. The panels each have a little number in them, so you get a nice mix when you're doing your layout. The tinted caulk fills in the nail holes, and the paint was great for the cuts to make it all look nice and finished. We couldn't be happier with it. It took us about a day to put it all together, and this is the result. GenStone gets a total 5 stars from us. From their customer service to their website to the product itself and the ease of installation, you really can't go wrong with this.